So we went to the dealer and got some factory grills. If you remember, it had the Boom Audio grills with one of the tweeters missing for some reason. Cleaned that up. Went with Bema 6.5s in the front. Flashed the radio. Diamond audio horns under the radio. Sound Digital 400.4 in the front. Bema sealed backs. We did a better job on our adapters than they did with theirs. So it's bolted in, and the factory grill's bolted in place. 10-inch mid-bass driver, PRV 1000. Ground Zero 8-inch yellow basket, red baskets, Neos. Sound Digital Nano 3000 to push the 10s. 1200 to push the 4 Bema 6.5s. And an 800.4 bridge across the 2.8s. We use a Hertz H8 DSP. So we have channel 1 and 2 on the tweeters, 3 and 4 on the 6s, 5 and 6 on the 8s, and 7 and 8 on the mid-bass drivers, the 10s. It took a while to fix all the stupid that was done on this bike, but now it looks great, sounds great, and she's on her way home.